Hello guys, it's Creative Mary TV here. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a video on why your Paws token has not been allocated to your Bybit exchange. So don't panic, just relax, and then we're going to know the reason why you're not seeing your Paws in your Bybit or Bitget exchange. Some of you have received, some of you have not received. So information came that the Paws tokens or the Paws allocations are being allocated to your Bybit or Bitget exchange starting from today, the 15th of April. Alright, so when you come to your Phantom wallet, this is my Phantom wallet here, and then you click on TG dashboard, you're going to be seeing your allocation right here. So this is my allocation that Paws allocated to me. Alright, so I use Bybit as my centralized exchange. Okay, so if you're not seeing Paws token on your Bybit or Bitget, you come to this UID here and then check if the UID that you used is correct or incorrect. Alright, so that could be the problem or the reason why you have not received your tokens yet. So then when you come to the next one is deposit address. So the deposit address might be the right address or might be the wrong address. So that could also be a reason why you're not seeing your airdrop. Okay, so when you go to your Bybit exchange, then you want to check if you have received or you have not received the airdrop, the Paws token. You just come to assets, click on it, and then you come to unified trading. So if your unified trading is showing here at this top and then the funding is showing downwards, don't panic, it's the same thing. So just click on unified trading. After clicking on unified trading, if you're not seeing your Paws here, your Paws is not reflecting here, you just come to this search bar here and you click on it and then you search for Paws. So you can see my Paws. As you can see, my Paws is showing 0.000. That means the Paws has not been allocated to my Bybit centralized exchange. So let's go and check the Paws page on X. Let's go to my X account to check the Paws update there to know if they posted any new updates. So this is our X account. So I'm just going to be typing Paws lab. And Paws lab. So look at it here, Paws lab. Just click on it. So we're going to be checking for any new updates here. You just scroll down. This is it. So this one was posted 4 days ago. It said only a few days left until the official listing. Tokens withdrawn to CEX, which is centralized exchange, will be deposited into your account on April 16th. So don't panic, you're going to be getting yours on the 16th of April. And then if your Paws tokens did not appear or not reflect in your Bybit account, not to worry. There will be an alternative claim, which is the on-chain claims. It will be available exclusively via Paws web, which is the Phantom wallet. You're going to be claiming it directly to your Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will push this video and recommend it to a lot of people who needs to know about this particular update. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.